shows a little more appreciation for their employees than some other employers. Little things, you know, little events, you know, just even if it's just like throwing some snacks out on the table for the guys to take with them out to the jobs in the mornings.
I mean, it's a great place to work. Definitely, compared to some places that I've worked before, I would definitely recommend it. It's a healthy work environment. There's room to advance. I like it.
I got hired at Lenhart as a green, which means I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. And they pretty much teach you and coach you through all of it. They have a great lead crew. They train you very efficiently, let you know everything that you need to know.
If you want to get into being a supervisor or move up in the company, there's definitely plenty of room. It's grown a lot since I've been here. So there's definitely room to grow and to move up in the company.
The environment at Lenhart's very good to work in. All the employees are nice. You ask any questions, anyone will help you out here. It is a family environment, so you feel like you know your employers. You know, they know you, they see pictures of your kids, you see pictures of their kids, they know who you are.
For anyone who was looking at wanting to work here, you've got the opportunity to make good money for yourself and, you know, possibly advance. I mean, I did.
I wasn't really in a good spot before I came to Lenhart Electric, and when given the opportunity, honestly, it meant everything. It was life-changing. Turned my life around.